Good morning, ladies. What's been happening? On our way. Start of our road trip. Woohoo! Woohoo! It's officially 6:44 in the morning, and we're on our way. To Vancouver. First stop is hopefully Revelstoke, but let's face it, we all have small bladders. Well, I have a small bladder. And we're drinking coffee, so we probably will be stopping at some point. Cloud in the mountains. Like, what is that? Is that a cloud? Is that a cloud? Oh my god, look at this low cloud. Got some A&W Beyond Burger. Woohoo! We're now in Golden, about to go to Revelstoke. We have arrived in Vancouver. We're heading out for dinner. Yay! We need it. Wow, we're so hungry right now. All right, so we are going to have dinner at Dochai, I think it's called. It's like a Vietnamese vegetarian restaurant, and obviously they're gonna have some vegan options. So pretty excited because we have not had dinner, and it's like it's only 7:30, but we're pretty hungry. Okay, so yeah. All right, friends, we are now in Yaletown Dochai. Very excited. It's a big menu and lots of vegan options. It pretty much looks like most things are vegan. All right, you guys, so we got a bunch of stuff. We're just gonna share everything. We got the cocoa rice cakes. We got I'll show you the starters first. Cocoa rice cakes, black truffle tofu, and Dochai dumplings. Then for our mains, we got the satay noodles, desert island noodles, vegan firm, and black garlic eggplant. Oh, so excited. Smile! Ooh, that's so cute! What'd you get, Candy? This is Candace's for me. Childish drink. So sweet. Cocktail. What did you get? Wow, I'm kind of jealous of these cocktails.
The Cocoa Ratchet and a Go-Go Gadget. Yeah, I got a non-alcoholic beverage.
Oh, you're not drinking? Yes.
Well, we don't need to taste it.
We don't need to taste it. Here's our wine. Yum. Happy Vancouver trip! Woohoo! Woo! All right, so this is the black truffle tofu. Ooh. Dumplings. Fish sauce for the dumplings. Ooh, thank you. Dumplings, and what was this one? Oh, the coconut rice cake.
And the eggplant.
All right, I'm gonna try this dumpling.
It's so good.
This one is the desert island noodles. Thank you. This one is the satay noodle bowl. Oh my god, that looks so good. Yum.
Yeah, I'm also gonna grab some. The orange pictures on the
So good. So they got us some free on the house cassava coconut cake. I don't really know what cassava is.
Look up potato starch.
Right, okay. Yeah, let's try it. Ooh. Good morning from Vancouver, downtown Vancouver. Very exciting construction happening. Very exciting. Good morning, guys. So this morning we are going hiking. We are doing, guys, what's the hike called?
Grouse grind.
Grass grind? Oh, grouse grind. So we're doing a hike called Grouse Grind. Apparently it's really difficult. It's like really high elevation. The distance is not very long, but it's really high elevation. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully we can make it. Hopefully we are fit enough. This will be a challenge. And yeah, we'll see you there. All right, we made it up Here's Candy Lee with time number 1, first place. I am runner-up. There's second runner-up. Anyways, Candy made it in 1 hour and 30 seconds. Very impressive. She was very quick. I made it.
You gave me too much light.
Seriously, I'm like so impressed. And like we barely stopped. Me and Angela like barely stopped. We stopped a bit, but like, anyways, so Candy made it in 1 hour. I was here in 1 hour and 10, 1 hour and 17. We're winning at life. Yes. Well, our goal was within an hour and, well, I wanted to do hour and 15, but under hour and 30. It's very cloudy, so I don't think we're gonna see too much of a view, but that was a very good workout. It was very like high elevation, constant panting, constant feeling like death, but it was a good workout. Alright friends, so I'm now in David Lane Park. I think it's what it's called. Anyways, I had to leave my friends because they went to this ramen place and I did not check the menu properly. Anyways, there was no vegan options. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go and grab some takeout by myself, which is totally cool. And I'm in this beautiful park, this inner city park. It's called David Lane, I think. Anyways, so I'm about to eat this bowl and I got it from Meat in Yaletown. So Meat seems to be a very popular vegan, I think it's fully vegan, yes, vegan restaurant. They have a few different locations, so it was heavily recommended to me by a lot of you guys on Instagram, so I thought, okay, gonna try it. Guys, I just had a bite. It's so good. The sauce is so good. It's super crispy and it doesn't really taste like traditional ginger beef, but it's just really good. The sauce is so good. Anyways, also this park is not called David Lang, it's called David Lamb, my friends. Alright, we got some pizzas from Virtuous Pie, which is a vegan pizza place I've been wanting to try. So this one is the Italian eggplant. This one is the pesto CBD, is it? It's not CBD. CBR. And then this one is, I forgot, SF. I can't remember what that is, but it looks good. Oh, and yeah, this one is super fungi, something fungi, super fungi. And then I forgot what this one, something, oh my god, I'm so shitty at this. Very exciting. We cannot wait. Wow! What are the flavors? Guys, these are vegan donuts from, what is this place? Cardam. So apparently these are all vegan.
So this is salted caramel.
Yeah.
This is a citrus glaze, smoked walnut, baked maple walnut, apple fritter, a classic vanilla, and a Earl Grey.
Ooh. This one is the Earl Grey. Oh my god, that looks so good. We're now in Stanley Park. This is, I guess, the lookout point. Drinking some coffee. It is beautiful. Look at this view. Gotta love the ocean. So we just got to Stanley Park. We don't have too much time because we took our time getting ready this morning, but we just decided to stop by before lunch and just look at the view and just appreciate while drinking coffee. Oh, hello. Nice. We are now at Raisu. Yay. Oh wow, so pretty. This lighting is like camera. Hello lighting. We're at Raisu and we had to pre-order some bento boxes. So this is the vegan bento. Oh my god. So let me just go through this here. I think I'm looking at the right thing. Yes. We had to pre-order this in advance, but this is the vegan bento. This is a tofu patty with orange grated daikon radish, stewed mushroom and thick fried tofu, lotus root sandwiched plum and taro potato, steamed seasonal vegetables with yuzu and miso paste. This is eggplant with sweet miso paste with dairy-free cheese, peeled tomato with mushroom sauce, edamame and wild rice salad, seasoned shimeji mushroom and kale dressed with pistachio sauce, homemade pickles. What? And of course got some plant-based miso soup, some rice. Oh my god, I'm amazed. I want like another one. I should order 2 for myself. This thing is so good. This is lotus root, sandwich plum, and taro potato. So good.
This music is not suitable.
Yes.
All right, friends, we're doing another donut bite session. Which one is this one?
Lemon citrus or something. Lemon glaze. Citrus glaze. Yes, yes.
Why am I holding this? Okay, I'm feeding everybody.
Feed me.
We're so shady in the back of the car. Sorry.
Everyone's reaction.
So far, Earl Grey, but this is still good. This is more of a donut.
I'm done.
I need to stop. The Earl Grey one is more of a cake-like. Damn it. Cider time.
Yes.
Yum.
So you got the blood orange, corn event, the pineapple, jalapeno, and the mango mint. This one is
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So, blackberry hibiscus, hopped apricot, pineapple jalapeno, and the mango mint.
Perfect. Ooh. So guys, we are at Cider House, right by what's the beach called? Kitsilano Beach, and we just came here for some cider, and it turns out that they have a completely vegan menu, which is awesome. But we're not hungry. We're just gonna drink. That's the plan. But yay! Time for the beach. Yay! Ginger beefless bowl, and then this is lovely bowl. Waiting for mine. I always get mine last. So this is the, what was this called? The big, oh god, I'll put the text here. It has the mac and cheese, the vegan mac and cheese, giant burger. I don't know how I'm gonna eat this, but I'll figure it out. Comes with salad and fries. Yum. We made it to Tunnel Bluff, and this is the view. It's amazing. Gonna eat my A&W now. Hello folks. As you can hear, I've kind of like partially lost my voice because I think we've been going a little bit hard for the past few days. Hard with activity, okay? Nothing too crazy. Just a little alcohol. Not too much. So today is the third full day, and we did a hike this morning. Now we are going for sushi. Oh my god, my throat. Oh god, I can't talk. We are going for sushi. I must talk very softly because my throat, my voice is, it's compromised. We're going for sushi. We're going to a place called the General Public Sushi House. Not sure, it looks interesting, but they've got lots of vegan sushi. So it's very exciting. And then tomorrow we leave for Tofino. Yeah, it's like going by really fast. I don't want it to be over, but tomorrow we go to Tofino, which is gonna be really nice. So yeah, see you at the sushi place. Got here, it's super random, but it's kind of cute. I'm so hungry. We got the Sakura vodka, sake, ginger beer. It's so good. That is massive.
I know.
That is massive.
Drinking mojito, I'm like, I want that.
I need to try this.
This is so good.
Oh my god, this is dangerous. I love how we're like, we're not gonna drink tonight, but it's so good. Is it lychee? Oh my god.
Lychee mojito. Okay, let me
That's
try
just
it.
juice. That's literal juice.